Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting new features of Filmora 14, the latest version of one of the most popular video editing software out there. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, Filmora 14 is packed with user-friendly tools and powerful upgrades that will take your editing skills to the next level. We will be exploring its improved interface, new effects library, and advanced AI-driven features that make editing smoother and faster. Plus, there are some awesome new color grading options, motion tracking capabilities, and upgraded export settings that will help you create pro quality content in no time. So, if you are ready to unlock the full potential of Filmora 14, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Link of Filmora 14 is available in the description below. First of all, install this and after installation, launch the software. Here is the software interface. To edit the video, click on the Create Video button. Here we have different options. Click the Import button on the top menu or drag and drop files directly into the media library. Select the video files, images, or audio you want to use in your video. Filmora Video Trimmer is a powerful tool designed to help users quickly cut, trim, and edit video clips. It allows you to remove unwanted portion of your footage such as intros, outros, or unnecessary scenes without affecting the overall video quality. The easy-to-use interface lets you drag and adjust the trimming handles to select the desired start and end points. Additionally, you can split clips, combine multiple clips, and even speed up or slow down parts of the video. Filmora's video trimmer is ideal for both beginners and professionals looking for a seamless editing experience. To cut out a section in video editing, first position the playhead at the beginning of the section you want to remove. Once it's in place, click the split button at the top of the timeline. This section will divide your video into two parts at that point. Next, move the playhead to the end of the section you want to cut and click split again. After trimming several clips, you can easily join them into a single seamless video using Filmora's video cutter and joiner. Simply drag and drop the trimmed clips into the timeline in the desired order. Once arranged, Filmora will automatically merge them, creating a smooth transition between the clips. The video cutter and joiner tool ensures there are no gaps or disruption, so your video plays continuously without any breaks. This makes it simple to create a polished, cohesive final video from multiple sections you have edited and trimmed. To join your trimmed clips in Filmora, simply drag them onto the timeline in the order you want. As you place them, the clips will automatically snap into place, making it easy to arrange them seamlessly. Filmora ensures a smooth transition between each clip so the cuts feel natural without needing any extra effort from you. This feature eliminates the need for manual adjustments, allowing your video to flow continuously, creating a professional, polished final product with minimal effort. You can also add transitions, filters, and effects. Finally, after all editing, click on the export button. And there you have it. Trimming and cutting videos in Filmora on PC is quick and easy. Using the video trimmer and cutter tools, you can precisely trim unwanted sections, split clips, and delete unnecessary parts. And if you want to make your videos more engaging and accessible, Filmora 14's a subtitle feature is here to save the day. Many short content creators rely on them to grab viewers' attention and emphasize key points. So first of all, select the video or audio layer you want to caption. Click on the speech to text tool in the toolbar. This will open a new window. Here you will find the new auto caption feature. Simply check the box and click OK. Wait a few seconds for the process to complete. Once it's done, you can close the window and your captions will appear. Now let's customize these captions. Select any part of the caption and go to the template section. Here you will find several caption styles such as line caption, highlight caption, pop-up text box caption, and more. Finally, to apply the style to all text layers, click the Apply to All button. Here is how it looks. As you can see, adding captions is now very simple. So that's how you can create awesome captions using Filmora. It's super user friendly and now you can use captions to enhance your video style. Filmora 14 also offers a wide variety of templates for different video styles, including YouTube intros, cinematic intros, business, travel, news, weddings, sports, and more. These templates provide pre-designed professional quality elements to simplify your editing process. Choose the one that fits your project and easily customize it. You can edit the text, replace placeholder footage with your own clips, and adjust other elements to create a unique and polished video. Whether you are making a vlog or a promotional video, Filmora 14's templates make the process fast and hassle-free. And that's how you can easily use Filmora 14's incredible features to take your videos to the next level. Whether you are creating content for personal projects or commercial use to monetize your work, Filmora has got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.